Hello, guys. So we are going to start talking about the initiative that was started by Apollo. Apollo is a student, and remember that I am bringing it to you the most amazing organizations or the initiatives that are attracting me, that are led by students. So the second initiative I'm going to be talking about is called
Nansana
Nansana,
Cleaning Club.
Nansana Cleaning Club, which is led and founded by Apollo. The first initiative I talked about is based in Bangladesh, and it's led by Professor Muhammad Shahab. I really hope that you can watch this video if you haven't. So today I'm here in Kampala, Uganda. The first was in Bangladesh. Now I'm in Uganda. So the next question is if you go to Japan, um, how do you think it will keep running? You understand? Because if you're the president, what I know is that for most organizations or for most initiatives, if the president leaves, yeah, most likely, it's likely that the initiative might not really, proceed, well, or anything might happen. So, how are you planning to keep on? Because this is Uganda based, it's not in Japan or anywhere, right? So, how are you planning to keep on doing all this work while you are away?
Well, I think with the committee, because I've been working with the committee and I've been trying to delegate roles. Yeah. At first it was me because when I took up the position, it was me. You know, I was the center of everything, but I had to delegate. And I've been working with these people for some time. So I believe and I know that, they have picked up the experience, they have picked up the passion, they know what they're doing. They're not just doing it because I'm around or because they want to make someone happy, but they're doing it because they see the need and they understand what they're doing. So I believe it will go on. No doubt about that.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. And what do you think that you need for it to go on?
Actually, right now, the major problem we are facing is financial issues, because the organization, the initiative ran on very well before the pandemic, because at that time we are trying to establish partnerships with NGOs. We had secured like 3 with the UPA, Uganda Pioneers Association, with the Matovo Foundation, and then because even in our cleaning activities, they used to join us. They used to mobilize people, their own team. So we are really on the track of being sustainable, being independent or something like that. But then when the pandemic came, that these organizations are also affected financially, so they cut the financial support. So right now, we are trying to we are struggling. We are struggling financially to keep up, and we are reducing our activities in a month. As I explained to you, that it was 2 sessions a month. Now we don't have the information session, but you have a cleaning session every month. So yeah, I think finances are the big problem, but I have a plan of I have an idea, and everyone is open in the club, or even a well-wisher is open to bring up an idea of how to make this sustainable. But personally, I was thinking of liquid soap making, because now people know us. We are very popular in Nansana, and if you can make liquid soap and sell to organizations like maybe Ashinaga, these international NGOs and local ones based in Nansana, it will be a source of income to keep us going. So this is the idea, and we are trying to put that into action.
Oh, wow, that's intelligent. Yeah, I love it.
Thank you.
I love it. So for now, you are getting, you're using some of your stipend, and you're getting some maybe money from other members. You're contributing a little to make it working, right? But
true. Also, the founders, some of the founders, like Rosina.
Rosina, who is Rosina?
Rose Mothapo from South Africa.
Where he, she?
She.
She,
Yeah,
Rosina.
she.
From South Africa. She's also a scholar here.
She's a scholar. Yeah, she's a scholar, so she contributes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's great.
Then some individuals like Madame Christine.
Oh,
Yes.
wow. Nalubowa, right?
Exactly.
Oh,
Then also
so
Tatsuka-san
kind.
also contributes.
Tatsuka?
Yeah.
Tatsuka-san. Ta?
You Tatsuka-san.
You, Tatsuka-san. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's great. So, Rosie is, what is she studying and where is she?
Rosina, I think, I'm not sure about what she's studying. Maybe international relations, though I'm not sure. But she's at Okayama. She's also in
Okayama
Japan, Okayama
University.
University.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okayama University is very famous. Yeah. Oh, wow. So you were in touch with each other, and then are you under ISA? There is an organization that
Yes.
was created by scholars. Actually.
Yeah, actually, it's a group of AAI scholars
All of
in
them.
Japan. Yeah. Maybe,
There's international, ISA International.
yes, ISA. For all maybe the African scholars, but I think under Shinaga in Japan. Yeah, I'm also in touch with it. I'm also a member, and probably after going to Japan, I hope to be a president.
Ah. So you want to be the president, and then all of a sudden, boom, president of Uganda, Ssenyange.
Well, I haven't thought about that. I'm
Come
not
on,
into
just
politics.
welcome it. We need
Okay, I
understanding
welcome
people,
it.
to run
Thank you very
our
much.
nation, So welcome it. Come on, You have all the resources. You have to develop, just develop yourself. You're already developing yourself. You started leadership at such a young age, Your leadership is within you, from childhood.
I'm humbled.
Yeah, I mean, you're developing, you're gaining skills, and you're going to go, abroad, make yourself better. You can come back and lead us. Come on. Well, I'll be there to
To be a pleasure. Of course, I'll appoint you as my advisor.
as your advisor.
Any post you want.
So don't make that mistake. Appoint me as your advisor. But anyways, that was something like a joke. But I'm really happy that you're getting support, You're not alone, You're getting support from all these people, And the most important thing is not dying alone with your thing,
True.
Put it out, Put it out and, let
Yeah,
those who want to help, those who want help will help. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
People want help, but you want to say something?
True. Yeah. On that point of like put it out, I've actually taken that seriously because of course, knowing that the challenge is financial, is like finances. I'm participating in like grant competitions, things like that. To lobby the finances, to lobby some money, to keep us going.
And for them to confirm that you are serious, they have to look for your website. They have to look for that,
True. Actually, this is the reason why I went into web designing.
Ah,
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you're gonna design for two people. Your initiative and my initiative.
And my
Done.
personal website.
Becoming the president some time to come. Wow. That's very interesting. What I've learned is that there are so many people out there who want to help, but they don't know how to help. And the trust is extremely important.
True.
So they want to help, but they're like, who are we going to help? And are we sure that it's going to do what exactly it should do, like in terms of money? You understand that? So you have to establish yourself, put it outside there, and ask people. People will never think that, oh, maybe he needs this. Until you tell them.
True.
It's like, YouTubers like me. Ask people to subscribe, they'll subscribe. If you don't tell them, they'll watch and go. Seriously. Yeah, so
That's very true.
Yeah. So you are doing amazing work. And, if I just get a funding or anything, just expect some. Don't want to
very
commit.
much.
Because I know humans. Don't want to commit anything. Just want to surprise people.
Exactly.
No commitments.
True.
But anyways, I understand. Run an initiative. You need passion. It's voluntary, but still, money, you need money to do some things.
Exactly.
You know? Transportation, doing, mobilizing, printing out various things, all that is money. So you need some resources, and I'm sure. But I really hope that you go to Japan, because once you go to Japan, if you get a good team, that's a trustworthy team, you can do part-time job, you can have that chance of doing part-time job. You can have, some, stipend. So that, of course, if you convert that in the Ugandan currency, that's really more compared to the currency you can get here. So I really hope you go to Japan, yeah. Apart from finances, how can we help you?
Probably mentorship.
Mentorship.
Yeah, mentorship. Also, as I stated, that we are looking for ideas to be sustainable. Of course, it may be hard for people, especially outside Uganda, to provide sustainable ideas in the Ugandan context. But it's also possible that they can. So we invite each and everyone who has any idea, because we are fighting to be sustainable. This is an important issue. It's a noble cause, and we want it to go on for as long as it can. So any idea to be sustainable that can generate the club some income, it's very much appreciated.
Wow. If you're watching this video, and you maybe you can provide some mentorship to Apollo's initiative, or Apollo's team's initiative.
Nansana Cleaning Club.
Exactly, Nansana Cleaning Club, based in Kampala. And if you know anybody who can provide such mentorship voluntarily, we are just developing, so don't expect
grassroots.
Yeah, I'm sure you understand what I'm talking about, or where I'm coming from. So if you know a person who can, voluntarily help us to provide some mentorship for them, please contact us. You can contact Apollo. I'm going to leave his contact details in the description box, or you can contact me. And remember that you can also indirectly help Apollo by subscribing to my channel, this channel.
That's
because
very true.
I am planning to monetize it, and the reason why I want to monetize it is to be able to sustain my community activities and other people's community activities like Apollo. This is why I am identifying them right now, because I see, people are loving us, the channel is growing so fast, and I'm like, oh my God, thank you so much for the love. So I'm trying to find out all those initiatives. So once we start, once we monetize it, I want to know who to support, because I might have the support, but who can I support?
True.
So that's why I'm doing this.
That's very good of you.
And come on, that's so tiny. Pinch, pinch of salt. So and the other reason why I'm doing this is people should know these people. If you do good, you should be known. Why do we spend time knowing people who have done bad? Whenever you sleep, think about them. If you are spending so much money on food you can't even consume, save that money. Send it over to him, He will find a way of utilizing that money or that penny to make his organization move forward, because this is just for the betterment of the community, and this is even seen by a young baby. It's something that is, it is, what is it called? Which word is it?
Straightforward?
Yeah, it's something, it's straightforward, You see his work, and it's amazing. So on Facebook, which name are you using? Your initiative?
Nansana Cleaning Club.
Nansana Cleaning Club.
Yeah.
Please follow Apollo's initiative on Facebook. You can also follow me, Empower and Inspire with Anate. And I advise you to follow 1x24 social movement. That is based in Bangladesh. Empower and Inspire with Anate is working with 1x24 social movement. Well, these are two different organizations, but we are working together. And very soon,
partnership.
Exactly. And very soon, we are going to be working with Apollo, because we are, 1x24 social movement is under education, promoting education, health, and environmental protection. Anate, education, health promotion, cancer awareness. Apollo, cancer awareness, and of course environmental protection, because I'm also there. Apollo, environmental protection, you know, and health promotion. Health promotion.
Sanitation.
So we are, of course, so we are under the same umbrella. So we are going to work together and we are going to make this work out. But guess what? We cannot do it alone. There is nobody who can do it on their own. We need your help. You can follow us. You can subscribe to this channel. You can, you know, support us by sharing our links and letting people know. And maybe if you know anybody who can support us or any groups that can give some grants, just introduce, you know, us to them and you can apply. You never know. I'm sure if you let us know about all those opportunities, it won't get you fired. So just do it for the betterment of the entire
world.
Perfect. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Apollo.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Please continue doing this amazing work and just expect my support anytime. Like I told you, I don't commit and I don't promise.
True.
But just expect me anytime.
Thank you very much.
The moment I know that you exist, just know I'm now in your system.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
for
you.
watching. Bye bye.
Bye.
From Nansana, this is Kokorojuku, very beautiful place. So, bye bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.